Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.
We are having our Thanksgiving dinner at Cucina del Capitano, and this is what the kids decided was the best meal for Thanksgiving.
Not the dining room.
Not the dining room.
And we're not doing your traditional turkey, which is...
I mean, some of them may order, somebody might order the traditional Tom turkey, whatever they called it. I doubt it. But we're doing Italian for dinner tonight because our family loves Italian and pasta. Today was a pretty chill day at sea. We didn't really do much. Kara and I went to the spa, more on that later, because the spa is much different than any of the other spas that we have been to. Super tiny. Today's been pretty chill. Yesterday, though, if y'all saw yesterday's vlog.
Yesterday was crazy. We also learned about the new port that is getting ready to open December 15th in Puerto Plata.
So more cruise ships will be able to come to Puerto Plata.
Royal, MSC,
Norwegian,
possibly Virgin later on.
So that is so exciting and so helpful to the people of Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, because it's going to boost the economy so tremendously. It's going to be a huge port too.
If you're watching this video after Turkey Day, we hope you had a fantastic Turkey Day. Hope you enjoyed your family. Hope you're blessed. We only got a few more weeks left in this year.
Grateful.
Maybe a few more surprises to come. Not sure yet, but
don't know.
We love each and every one of y'all. Thanks for supporting the channel.
We are truly humbled and thankful for you all showing us the support that you have shown us this year.
We salute you. And
don't spill the wine. Thank you. We're good. Hello.
What's up?
We are sitting at the Brass Magnolia in the French Quarter zone of the Mardi Gras. Can't wait to try some drinks in this really cute bar.
And now you know us, we love cocktails. We travel the world searching for the best cocktails possible. We've been to Rome, we've been to Puerto Rico, and a couple of other little hidden gems. But today, we're going to find out on the new Mardi Gras which bar is the best.
Yes.
Is it Brass Magnolia or is it the Fortune Teller Bar? These two bars are brand new additions to the Carnival Cruise Line family and a highlight here on the Mardi Gras. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 cocktails each. And we're going to rate those 2 cocktails between Brass Magnolia and the Fortune Teller Bar and see who we think comes out on top.
Yeah, where you should be getting your drink on.
All right, so we're starting off the contest tonight, one with a classic cocktail out of New Orleans called the Vieux Carré. That is exactly what I'm sipping on right here. And you may be wondering, what exactly is in a Vieux Carré? Well, I'll tell you. It's Sazerac Rye Whiskey, Hennessy VSOP Cognac, Cinzano 1757, Sweet Vermouth, Benedictine, Peychaud's bitters, and Angostura bitters. And once you put all those ingredients together, stirred, because this is a stirred cocktail, not shaken, you come up with a beautiful, well-balanced cocktail. And I'll tell you, it is amazing.
Indeed. I got the praline truffle. And I tell y'all, it tastes like a alcoholic chocolate milk taste. It's so good.
Basically. Alcoholic chocolate milk.
It's so good. But it is made with absolute vodka, praline liqueur, which I didn't even know was a thing, chocolate liqueur, and heavy cream with a splash of Kahlua. So, and then it's garnished with fresh chocolate on top.
So this is round one of the competition tonight. Remember, 2 drinks each, 2 from here at the bar at Magnolia, and then 2 from the Fortune Teller bar. And we'll decide who has the best cocktails on board the New Mardi. So it's time for round 2 of the versus battle between Brass Magnolia and the Fortune Teller Bar. Classic cocktail number 2 for me is a traditional Sazerac. You've seen me make them on the channel before, so you already know how much I adore a good Sazerac. And you got?
I got the Bayou Lemonade, which is one of the popular drinks on board. So, it should be yummy.
This is gonna be interesting to see what's gonna happen next door, because I saw a lot of great recipes.
There's so many cute looking I say cute because they have, like, it's themed after the Fortune Teller. So they got a lot of cute themed drinks over there. So it's going to be really hard to decide which one is the best.
Salute.
Cheers.
Alright, so we finally made it to the Fortune Teller Bar. This has been one of the most talked about bars on the Carnival Mardi Gras. It's a new concept for them. It's very whimsical. There are a lot of tricks done at this bar. So we just finished up at the Brass Magnolia. We told you this is a versus. Brass Magnolia versus the Fortune Teller. Who has the best bar? Who has the best cocktails?
Yes.
We'll let you decide, but we've done 2 traditional cocktails apiece at Brass Magnolia. We're going to do the same thing here at the Fortune Teller Bar. But I can tell you already, after looking at the menu, it's going to be hard to pick 2 good, strong drinks. So we're going to meet the bartenders, find out what everybody requests the most, give them a taste, and see what we got. What are you most looking forward to?
Probably, I don't think they're gonna do it with the bubble, but they have this drink with this bubble over the top of it called the Crystal Ball.
No, we should do the Crystal Ball.
So I don't know.
We gotta see the Crystal Ball.
I don't know if they're gonna do the bubble, but I hope they do the bubble because it looks cool as hell.
You gotta ask us.
Terry will probably like the drink called the New Moon because one, it's a black drink. And it's made with mezcal, so it's right up his alley because he loves mezcal, and it's all smoky and mysterious looking. So I think he would enjoy that one. But we're gonna talk to the bartenders and we're gonna see what they can make up for us, which are the popular drinks, which ones are not so popular, and we're gonna go from there. But Attila from the Brass Magnolia has a little bit of an advantage because he remembered us from the Vista. So we gotta see how the Fortune Teller bartenders do.
New Moon. Okay, it's slightly smoky. You like the smoky flavor? For sure.
Oh no, she's so sweet. Just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Oh, that one I didn't have yet.
It's as big as my head.
So Adrian got the most amazing cocktail. If you saw the big bubble and everything, and then mine
Complimentary one for the
is a
platinum
perfect black. What did I get?
It's called the New Moon.
The New Moon. Okay, so
I like yours more.
as of right now,
Brass Magnolia.
I think I gotta give the first round
To Brass Magnolia.
to the Brass Magnolia.
But this is
Classic
good.
cocktail. It's good, but it's not as good as I thought it was gonna be. Oh yeah.
It's like $40. So it's not that expensive.
Pretty.
They're pretty. Well, they look good.
And as the
As the
ice cream melted,
it gets more hibiscusy.
yeah.
Right, air of mystery.
Tristan, this is you.
No. For the abracadabra, you're having abracadabra.
Look how fancy you are with your
It's a very
rings.
magical potion.
Magical potion.
And it will get rid of all the bad juju in your life. However, it's not gonna work unless you add the secret ingredient to the drink while saying the magic words abracadabra.
All of this?
Yes, all of it.
Abracadabra.
That's good. That's so cool. Soapy Christmas trees. Oh no, soapy Christmas trees. That's because I don't like gin. Gin tastes like Christmas
Gin is
trees.
a lot for me.
And like my son.
Gin will like do.
All right, so we're about to hit. Well,
It's still round one
It's
for
still
me.
round one for us. I just realized
Yeah,
that.
it's still round one.
We just added
Because
extra people to the
we did not
competition.
actually enjoy the first round at Fortune Teller. So I did not like mine, so I took Terry's.
And in exchange,
In exchange,
I got
a
a
really cool
Bayou Smoke. Very smoke cocktail.
They made it very cool. The way that they're able to do the smoked drinks is really cool. Is it good? Uh-oh. But we added a few people. Our daughter here, she got the Venus Rising, which give us a flavor profile.
Investigation is needed. Let me
It
Tastes like how a flower smells. Like it's delicious.
for cranberry and vodka.
And I'll say, if you love a vodka cranberry, you'll love this.
This one.
Really good. That's good.
This one's good.
That was good.
All right, who's next?
Next step. Come on. Give us what's your drink called and what's it taste like?
I got the abracadabra, and it tastes like a really good lemonade.
Yes.
More investigation is needed.
Our investigation is
When I
like juice.
when I tasted it, if you ever had that grape lemonade Kool-Aid back in the day when the grape lemonade Kool-Aid came out, that's what it tastes like. Man,
What you got?
Alright, I got the Air of Mystery, and it tastes like a gin lemonade kind of combo. It's
You
so
would like
good.
it.
More investigation
I
is needed.
personally don't like it because y'all know me and y'all know that gin tastes like
It's
Christmas
so good.
trees. But it's a spin on the classic aviation drink.
Ain't it good?
It tastes like soapy Christmas trees, y'all. but they like it. I'm gonna stare stick with the new moon?
It's a 5 bus out of 10.
Okay. Y'all know I do this life for real. I have not liked my
You
cocktail.
don't like the Bayou Smoke? Really? Are y'all ready for this? Oh my god!
Okay, so round 2 is finally arrived.
Official round 2.
Official. We're about to find out who has the best bar and the best bartenders on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Will it be the Brass Magnolia or will it be the Fortune Teller bar? I'll let you go first.
I ordered the lime and the coconut.
A1?
I should have ordered this first. This is so clean and refreshing. Terry's drink is called the Third Eye, and it's a bourbon forward drink, which is what he asked for. Let's see if it changed his mind. We found him a winner finally! He's doing my happy dance. That's a change.
This one right here?
That's the winner. That's what you should have ordered first. But we're still gonna give it to Brass Magnolia.
They're down one. Brass Magnolia for the win. When it comes to the wars, you can't go wrong with either bar. Whether you like classic, traditional, or whether you like whimsical and different.
Yes. Or
You're
something
gonna get
with
both
a
of
little
that.
mystery to it.
That's what you're gonna get. No
At
cocktail is a
Fortune
bad cocktail, but I gotta give it to Brass Magnolia tonight.
This one is really good though. It's very clean,
see
even
what
though
you
it's
got.
a lot of flavors. It's lime and coconut. The foam is a coconut foam, but the drink is very much like a daiquiri. See? That's why I said we should have ordered that first. Huh? It's not very sweet. It's just clean, right?
Yes.
So, I like it. We should have done this one first.
So like I said, no matter which bar you go on, you're gonna be good. If you're on the Mardi Gras within, let's say, the next month to 2 months,
Oh my God.
if you're at the Fortune Teller bar, make sure you stop by and see
Gotta see
Cornelius from
Cornelius.
South Africa, and of course at the Brass Magnolia,
You gotta see Attila from Slovenia.
Slovenia. They
both
will take care of you.
excellent bartenders and will take care of you.
From the bottom of our hearts, we want to wish you all a safe journey back home, no matter where the roads will lead you tomorrow.